Hey, welcome to my video. Thank you for tuning into my channel. Why actually I chose Saramonic microphone rather than the Rode Wireless Go? One of the main reasons because actually he comes with two mic rather than the Rode Wireless Go only comes with one mic and one receiver. I find that it's more value for money. Audio quality wise actually I don't find that it's much different. I even find that they are quite compatible. That is one of the main reasons that actually I going for the SaramonicBlink500B2. As you can see that when you open up the box, they come with a lot of accessories also compared to this Rode Wireless Go. I have no regret actually buying this thing because whenever you need an additional microphone, it's there for you and it can actually record two person at the same time. The Rode Wireless Go, you can't even actually record two person at the same time. Hope that you all like the unboxing of this Saramonic Blink500B2. This mic actually I bought for my Osmo Pocket. I will try it out and do a review. See whether it is suitable for the Osmo Pocket. Now enjoy the video. Thank you. Let me know that actually what you will choose and why you will choose Rode or Saramonic mic. Thank you very much. Thank you for watching my video. See you in next video. Bye.